friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a new collaboration between Revlon and Ashley Graham. This is the Never Enough lip collection, and you guessed it, it's all lip products. We have 6 glosses and then 6 matte liquid lipsticks. Revlon sent all 12 shades to me, so I'm gonna go over everything. We're gonna do lip swatches of all 12 shades. First, let's go over some details of these lip products. The information that Revlon sent says that these are currently available from CVS and Walmart. I'm assuming that they'll also be available at other retailers that sell Revlon. So places like Amazon or Ulta, I'll look around online and see where I can find these. The prices may vary a little bit by retailer, but according to Revlon, all of these products, the glosses and the matte lip colors, all should retail for about $8.49 a piece. Pretty pricey for a drugstore lip, but not super surprising. Drugstore prices have been going up. This is a collaboration, so those do tend to be a little bit more expensive when there's a famous name attached to a product. Let's talk about the glosses first. There are 6 new shades of the Super Lustrous glosses. These do have special packaging. They have these really pretty glittery lids, and it has Ashley's signature here. That's a nice detail. I really like that. On the tube, it says the gloss. The shade name is on a little sticker here, but there's also a little sticker with the shade name on the bottom as well. I definitely want to point out the applicator on this gloss because I was quite surprised to see this super oversized cupped doe foot applicator. Especially from a drugstore gloss, I think this is impressive and definitely seems like a very luxury type of applicator. I was really expecting just a skinny little flat doe foot or maybe even a brush, which I really dislike. So I'm very, very happy with this applicator. I find that just one dip in can completely cover one of my lips. These glosses do have a light sweet vanilla scent. These are not highly fragranced at all. I really had to take my time and kind of sniff this gloss to detect the fragrance, and once it's applied to my lips, I don't smell it at all. So this does have a light fragrance, but it's not super intense. I always like to mention fragrance because I know a lot of you can be sensitive to fragrance in your makeup. So this does have a little bit of a sweet vanilla scent, but it's just a little bit. Overall, I'm really impressed not only with the applicator on these glosses, but also on the formula. These are very smooth, very light. They don't feel sticky at all. They feel almost like an oil, tinted lip oil, but they have really impressive coverage as well. This isn't just a little sheer topper type of gloss. This really can be worn on its own, and I really appreciate that. As somebody who likes to wear just a gloss, I love a formula that's comfortable, not sticky, but still gives me a decent amount of color. I will say that this gloss isn't super long lasting. This is something that I find myself having to go back and reapply to keep that color, that pigmentation up on my lips. So these are definitely not long wearing, they're not transfer proof, but they are super comfy and they definitely have way better pigmentation than I was expecting. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lip swatches of these 6 glosses, and then we'll move on to the matte lip colors next. Now that you've seen all the glosses swatched on my lips, I want to show you a quick arm swatch. That way you can see all 6 shades side by side. This is a great way to pick up the little similarities and differences and just give a whole picture of the color story of this entire line. It's easier to compare than. Now let's move on to the Ultra HD matte lip colors. Same sort of special packaging here with the really glittery lid. And I do want to point out that the signature is on both sides, so I can tell a lot of detail went into this and it feels really nice. I also forgot to mention when I was talking about the glosses, but this isn't a super rough, bumpy type of glitter finish where the glitter will rub off. This really is made into the plastic. It's coated, so another nice detail. It feels more expensive and not super cheapy. This is the same flat paddle applicator that we've seen on the previous Ultra HD matte lip colors. This is a little bit flexible and I like the flat edges for really getting around the detail areas of the lips. So I'm glad to see they didn't mess with this applicator because I do think this works really well for this formula. And for this product, the shade name is just pictured on the sticker. There's no shade name on the bottom, so you don't want to remove the sticker on this if you want to keep track of what shade you're using. I'm not going to talk too much about the formula because I have reviewed these in the past. When this product first launched many years ago, actually it was one of the first videos that performed really well on my channel, so I kind of have a special place in my heart for this particular product. But I did give this formula a good review. I find it to be comfortable, it's long wearing. It's not a super full coverage matte lip color. It's somewhere between a liquid lipstick and a lip stain. You can build it up to be more full coverage, or you can also wear a lighter layer for more of that wash of color kind of popsicle lip look. So I still like this formula a lot. I find it to be very comfortable. This is going to be the long wearing option compared to the lustrous gloss. And I do want to remind you that the Ultra HD matte lip colors do have a very fruity scent. These are a lot more intensely fragranced than the glosses. So if you've tried these in the past, this is the same formula, same fragrance, just some new shades for us. I think they're new shades. I don't know why they wouldn't be. Let's go ahead and look at the lip swatches of these 6 Ultra HD matte lip colors, and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts at the end. Once again, I just want to do a little arm swatch with all 6 of these shades. I think there are some more similar shades in this Ultra HD matte lip color line. So I think it's especially important to see them all arm swatched together. That way you can really get a feel for the similarities and differences among these 6 lip colors. Overall, I think this is a really fun collaboration, a fun drugstore release. There are some great spring and summer lip colors in this line. It definitely makes a lot of sense seasonally. My only complaint is that 2 of the matte lip colors just ended up looking too similar for me. The shades Hot in Here and Red Affair are just a little bit too similar. I wish that there was some more variation, whether that was a really out there lip color like a lavender like they did in the gloss, or maybe like a hot pink instead. So that was my only real gripe with this release. Otherwise, I'm genuinely very impressed. I really like all these shades. I don't necessarily see myself reaching for all of them over and over again. If you know me, you know I'm kind of a basic girl when it comes to my lip colors. I prefer to do my experimenting with my eyeshadow and not my lips. So my favorites are maybe what you would call the basic or boring shades, but I call them classics. They're reliable. The glosses in Feelin' It and Flourish are my favorites. I've been wearing the shade Feelin' It throughout the talking portions of the video. And for the Ultra HD mattes, This shade Loud and Proud is my favorite. I know it's just a little corally pink, but I think it's cute. I can definitely see myself wearing this with some springtime eye looks. So those are my favorite shades. I would love to hear what your favorite shades are. Is this collection grabbing your interest? Are any of these products going to be on your wish list? I always love to hear what you guys think about things too, so leave all your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Everything we're gonna. How's the ponytail holding up back here? Not good? Okay, well, here we are. So, what was that? What? Lustrous, super lustrous. Lustrous. Sir, focus. Thank you. Yes, Mama, it is lip swatching time. She is orange. Hot in her. My friend Vanessa would love that orange one. She loves orange lips. Shout out to my friend Vanessa. Oh, she'll probably like this one too. Go follow Beauty Products Are My Cardio on Instagram. That's my friend Vanessa. She's my orange lip queen. I mean, are those not the same color? I guess this one's like more corally. Looks pretty similar to me. I guess this one's a little bit different. Nah, they look too similar to me. This one is Red Affair. And then for the matte lip. So close to being done.
Mama,
Hey buddy, what's wrong?
I want some toasty.
Okay, can you wait? Mommy's almost done, okay?
We got to.
Jack, let her finish working, please.
I'm almost done, okay? Really quiet, and then I'll be up there and I'll make you some toast, okay?
We got some cool Pokemon.
Okay, I can't wait to hear about. Wait, close the door. Okay, really quiet just for a minute, okay? I love you.
Bye.
Bye. This is our life now. Quarantine vids. 2020 edition. Guys, it's gonna be like this, okay? There's gonna be background noise. There's gonna be little humans telling me about Pokemon. This is just how it's gonna be, okay? Here we are. Yay, we did it. We did it. Little things feel like big accomplishments these days. Okay, that's all I have. I'm gonna go put lip oil on and clean my face and go make some toast for my kid, because that's what he wants for dinner apparently. I mean, he'll have like eggs and fruit and stuff too, don't worry, but okay, gotta go. Wash your hands, stay home, stay safe. I love your face. Bye.